We're also taking a look at Chinese stocks, which are sliding on a potential overhaul of that country's financial system. Bloomberg is reporting Chinese President Xi Jinping could revive a committee with broad oversight over financial policy. This as Xi continues tightening his grip on power with an extension of his leadership. Here with how such a move could hit Chinese stocks and how it might be already. Ines Ferre is with us. Ines?
Yeah, Julie, just taking a look at our Wi-Fi interactive board, we've been watching Chinese ADRs and they are under pressure. You're looking at BABA that's down more than 4%. JD.com is also lower. This is a one-year chart of BABA. Take a look where a Chinese ADRs basically bottomed back in September, late September, early November of last year. You had that big rally in these stocks, and that rally has been sort of fading over the last couple of weeks. Do want to mention what you just talked about, which is that report from Bloomberg that Chinese authorities are thinking of putting back together what's called the Central Financial Work Commission. That commission was dissolved back in 2003 as part of a reorganization of government agencies. Bringing it back would allow the government more control over financial policy. It would put less decision making in a larger amount of hands. So it would be fewer hands that would be taking care of decision making. And President Xi's chief of staff is expected to become the head of that entity, according to Bloomberg. Now, there's already some reshuffling that is expected to take place, including a replacement for China's vice premier responsible for economic policy. That replacement is seen as a close loyalist to President Xi. He could also be considered for a senior role as well at the People's Bank of China. That's according to the Wall Street Journal. So all of this to say that this is a way for President Xi to consolidate his power since taking control back in 2012. Now, some analysts are saying don't necessarily expect to see a hawkish stance on economic policy because of this. I mean, China has recently been putting economic growth above all else, and we have seen that with its change of policy basically last year when it comes to also the tech stocks that you've seen and the crackdown that has taken place in China with tech stocks. That was sort of turned around quite a bit last year, and that's why you saw part of the reason why you saw these stocks rallying last year, also along with the fact that the lockdowns had ended in China. But certainly today we are seeing pressure on these Chinese stocks, guys.
Ines, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.